more back. That high crap well off. Now we just have the low spots. Not many of them. See how smooth it is? Fingers. Once that was high spots. Yeah. Don't hide these. Sorry. My bad. We'll put it back over here. Yeah, noise shut off. The air compressor's got to get fixed at some point. Not today. Get the valve? No. You stole it. Found it. Need this. I need one of these here too. Okay, this one here should be good to go. Alright, we're going to need a little bit of go juice. There's some in there, isn't there? Not much. I want to get more of that. Yeah, I'll get a little low. I don't need much. The intake wasn't too bad, the exhaust is much bad. Just got my stick here, that's good. Ooh, that slides easy. Good thing I have that safety device over there to hit on. Called lapping it in. We ain't got time to do anything else. Unless I have to. This lapping stick sucks. Doesn't look very good. It'll run. Just put more nitro and it'll be fine. Can almost see in there. How's the seat look? Good?
Huh? What?
The valve seat. Next to valve seat. That'd be the gray spot on top of all the other gray spots. Not sure which gray spot we're looking at. Yeah, I'm sure it's perfectly fine. I can't even tell the marks even that. It's too gray.
Too gray.
I don't see any lights, so I'm good. Good enough for my bike.
Okay.
As you can tell, I don't really care about my bike. Don't ever say it. Just be like mine, because you don't realize how much.
Where do you buy that stuff from?
Auto parts store.
Oh.
They used to sell it. I think that container's almost empty.
Pretty much.
This is mainly oil and not cutting fluid. Oh, that's not smooth. There's too much oil, not enough grit. No vacancies I can see right off, that's a good sign. It's kind of crap you do at the track. Freshen up, run it. The other way you fix it at the track, you run about 8,000 RPM about a minute, and then you got more compression after you're done. It pounds all the crap.
Right.
It's kind of got some issues here. Yeah, it's pretty dull through here, which means it's not really hitting very well. Yeah, we don't even look at the seat. The seat's fine. Okay, I can't even see half the seat, so that means the other half must be fine. It'll work. I can only see half the seat. So. How bad does this side look? Yes, it's fine. Yeah, it'll pound in. See all those spots through here? More low than high. It's probably the seat too. It's probably the seat's not the best. Yeah, it's good. It's good enough. It ran on the last run, it'll run on the next run. We'll fix it next time. It'll be apart next time anyway. I have plenty of time to fix it then. We're on a limited schedule today. We ain't got time to do nothing. Put it together. Like my schedule? Alright, we'll be back. I'll blow this off.